last time I partied with Piranha and Mac. Woke up with a doggone mullet. And a hangover. Too old for this shit.
I hear that biker coming. It's rolling around the track. Sounds like an old Thursday. It must be Ronnie Mac, but his throttle stuck wide open. And he don't go slow. When I hear that two-foot ripping, it makes me go high. When he was just a baby, his mama told him wrong. Always drink PBR and have a lot of fun.
See what happens when you mess with the Mac? Your blows apart. Because it's f***ing green.
Smoke, well, they know they have it coming. They know they can't be drawn.
I must have passed like 100 guys out there. They're all going so much slower than me. Oklahoma State, two-stroke world championships, baby! I don't know. I had my RM Silly, and now Piranha stole it. It's up to him to take down Ronnie Mac. Those guys. They look like piles of crap, but I tell you what, we turned it on last night. They want everything. Everything. I haven't won shit since I've been here. I can't start up my